You know, right? When you are preparing dosa, that pan, you need to marinate it with oil first. Same way, I will marinate the bike with water. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel The Bug. After a very long time, a video on my channel finally. Yes, I understand lockdown is going on. We cannot go out unnecessarily. Government has imposed a strict lockdown. There is no point of riding motorcycles outside unnecessarily unless you wanna go out for bringing some essential things. You might be wondering why I'm wearing the sunglasses. Yes, I had to wear. I'm getting some itchiness in the eyes. So for protection, I'm wearing these sunglasses. So today's video is about maintaining the super bike even in the lockdown. So without further ado, let's quickly begin. So guys, after a very long time, I'm showing my bike on the channel. A lot of dust, some dust here on the tank, not very much though, and on the engine as well, see, and here as well, and on the slip-on, on the wheels. Yeah, overall it's very dirty. I am using a bike cover, but still there is open space, you can see, so the dust somehow filters inside the bike cover. It's been a very long time since I washed my bike. Usually if I go mad, I will take it to the washing center. I want my bike to be perfectly clean, but the situation is very bad. There's a lockdown going on. It's a very good habit, guys, to wash your bike. Occasionally you can give it to the washing center if you think the dust is too much, but in this case it's not that intense. I am washing it myself. I will show you guys what all I use for washing, before wash and after wash. Okay, this I'll keep it aside. Before wash, what all things I use. So the first and foremost mandatory essentials for washing is bucket and this jug. Cloth, I'm using two cloths, one for engine and one for tank. I don't want to use same cloth for the tank because it may create scratches on the tank. So it's up to you guys. You can take only one cloth and wash and wipe the engine first and then go to the tank part and fiber parts. That way you can ensure there will be no scratches. So after everything you do, after you wash everything, when the bike is washed completely, for the chain I will use this brush. This is called Ajay toothbrush. I will use diesel first. This is diesel. I need to put the diesel on the chain, clean it using this brush and then lube it. I have two chain loops here. One is Maxima chain guard, one is Maxima chain wax. So wax is a better way to lube your chain. It doesn't spill. This one does. And after you do everything, waxing, cleaning, everything you do, use this one, Sheba Professional Liquid Polish. This is a very good product. You can buy it on Amazon. So I will be doing a separate video on the bike maintenance. What are all the best lubes available in the market? So yeah, let's begin the washing. Guys, so process is like this. First I will be washing engine, wheels, both front and rear, silencer. I will be washing those first. Then I will move on to the plastic parts and tank part, front fly screen and front mud guard and belly pan. So guys, usually I will use 3M shampoo for all my washing, but given this condition, this lockdown, we cannot go out unnecessarily and I don't want to go out because I'm scared of corona. I am taking the help of this legendary shampoo called Clinic Plus. Clinic Plus, don't disappoint me this time. Let's see how you perform. So guys, I somehow managed to get one more bucket of water thanks to the security over there. So these two buckets of water, one bucket is for the engine, complete engine and wheel, everything, and another bucket is for the tank and fiber parts. So first wet the bike overall. You know, right, when you are preparing dosa, that pan, you need to marinate it with oil first. Same way, I will marinate the bike with water and apply the shampoo, then clean it. So here we go. So see guys, I have diluted the water using the shampoo packet number 1. Guys, remember, never ever put this shampoo directly on the bike, at least not on the tank and fiber parts, because what happens if you put this shampoo, your paint will be affected. Tank paint and fiber paint, right, will get affected because this shampoo or other shampoos like this are not engineered to use on the automobiles. The bikes have their own shampoos. Just like humans, they have their own shampoos. Same way, we cannot use the soap used for the dogs. We cannot use that and wash ourselves. Same way, you cannot use these kind of shampoos on the bike to wash them. Now it's emergency, there is no way I can go out buy 3M bike shampoo. Once in a while it's completely fine, but not always. So guys, first thing first, I'm taking this toothbrush and dipping inside the diesel. As you can see, oops, it totally went inside guys. 1 minute. I managed to get it out. I will clean the chain first.
Few moments later.
I used a lot of diesel today because I could see some rusting on these parts. So I used a lot of diesel and I cleaned the chain now. So I will leave it like this for another half an hour. So the wheel part is done, the rear tire is done, it's wet. I will move on to the next engine bay. This is also done. And here, exhaust. When you are giving your bike for the jet wash, right, outside, tell them to cover this silencer, this hole, so that water will not go inside. As of now, I am not using any jet. I am carefully putting water on the bike. So this part is done like this, and the wheel, front wheel, front mudguard, this is also done, and the windscreen. This bike is getting a good human wash after a long time. Pour water like this, and here as well. Yep, I think it's fully wet. Let me put water there under the seat as well. See guys, my bug is peeing. I'm kidding guys. This water which is dropping, it is coming from that radiator because I had put some water there to clean the part. So the water is dripping down. It's not so and all. Guys, it was one hell of a job, but job nicely done. Look at the bug now. The bug is so clean. It looks way better than how it was earlier. This area is clean. This area is clean. The tank is clean. The engine bay is clean. The wheels, the tire, the under part of the tail, everything is so clean. There are some water droplets. I will just wipe it off afterwards. So yeah, this is it guys. This is how the cleaned bike looks. It's one hell of a looker, isn't it? Amazing bike. The white looks so good when cleaned guys. Yeah, now what I should do is I should take a cloth. Look at this chain part. So the diesel has been absorbed by the chain. Just look at this guys. I'm cleaning here. Look at this, how it's getting cleaned. So this is the magic of diesel. So you apply diesel, leave it for half an hour, then you wipe the sprocket and chain by using this type of cloth. I'll show you. See this part, all the dirt. Now see now. I'm using a phone to capture this video. Look at this, guys. Far better than earlier condition. The chain is so clean now. This is 47 teeth sprocket, as you can see here. I will make a separate video on sprockets. So this is not your stock sprocket, guys. I ordered it through BikeIt. So I will make a separate video, like I said. But look at the chain now. Fully golden in color. But due to the dust, you are unable to see it in the first glance. But now
50 तोला कितना 50 तोला
so no dust, the hand is clean now. Now you can loop the chain. So guys, I will show you how to loop the chain. Here I am with chain wax of Maxima. So you need to start the bike, put it in the first gear and the wheel will start rotating. Then you spray this. I will show you guys. So always spray here in this region. Don't spray on top of this. From inside of the sprocket, not above the sprocket. That's it. Oof, guys, it was a very tiring job. This bike gave me some tiredness today. Indeed, it was a very good time spent on the bike, cleaning it. Guys, it's not easy job, I'll tell you. So when you leave your bike outside, they use jet to shoot the dust from the bike. But when you are washing your bike at home using your hand, oh my god, trust me, it's a very tedious job. It's a tiring job. I salute the daily workers who do tiring jobs which requires a lot of physical strength. Man, salute to them. From this video, I hope you understood the format of washing your bike. Starting from the bucket, how much water you need. Man, I'm still sweating. Yeah, which shampoo you should use, how many cloths you can use, the polish, how to clean the chain, how to use diesel, everything I hope you got to know. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe. Peace. Oof, guys.